Good morning, Ibelebers! For today's Ibeleb episode, we have a special guest. Let's welcome. It's your girl.
Larissa! Oh, yeah!
Oh, andyan pala ka.
Yeah!
So, guys, what do you think we're going to do for today?
I'm hungry. I think we need to eat this Mentos.
No!
No, I'm very thirsty. I want to drink some Coca-Cola for now.
Not also.
So, what are we gonna do for today?
To see is to believe. The first thing, we must obtain some materials for our experiment. First material is the Mentos. Second is the
Coca-Cola.
and the third one is the
Balloon.
So the procedure for our experiment is first, put some Mentos inside the balloon. Just like this. Just like that. Okay. Okay. Last one. Yan. Okay. Then, wait a minute. Open up the Coca-Cola. You know.
Can I drink it?
Why? Power. Hold it. Then I'm gonna put the balloon.
A few inches later.
Wow.
Ibeleb!
Coke balloon experiment. This experiment would be Avogadro's law, which states that when pressure and temperature are kept constant, the volume of a gas is directly proportional to the number of mole of that gas present. In other words, the more gas you involve, the bigger the volume of the balloon will be. The classic experiment features a balloon placed on top of a bottle in which the reaction takes place. The gas involved from Coca-Cola is carbon dioxide, or CO2. When the reaction takes place at constant pressure and temperature, then the increasing quantity of gas produced will determine the volume of the balloon to increase as well.
Dijay? 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 Dijay! Stop!
Is that Vijay?
Why are you eating that? We're gonna use that in our next experiment.
What? Experiment? Oh!
It's called
Egg in a bottle! Good morning, guys! I'm Vijay.
And I'm Dijay.
Now, for our experiment, we need to use the bottle. And second, the match. And the third, especially, the egg. But first, before we start our experiment, we need to wear surgical gloves and protective eyeglasses for our safety. Our main goal in our experiment is to put the egg inside the bottle without applying any force on it or pushing it by just using the matchsticks. First thing we need to do is to put 3 matches inside the bottle. 1, 2, and 3. By just lighting it up, just like this. Let's wait for it. And then, we need to put the egg at the top of the bottle and observe what will happen next. Wow! The egg is slowly falling down! I believe!
Actually, this experiment is an advancement for our next lesson. Naturally, the pressure inside and outside of a bottle is the same. When we heat the bottle, we're effectively heating the air inside the bottle. It is known in thermal studies that when you have a gas in a constant volume, you heat it. You'll increase the pressure of the gas. This means that the temperature of the gas is proportional to its pressure once its volume is kept constant. This is, in fact, Gauss-Lussac's law. By using the heating method, we can see that the egg is being pushed upwards by the increased air pressure inside the glass bottle. Heated air rises and will escape, thereby decreasing the pressure inside of the bottle. What will happen is that the pressure outside the bottle will eventually be more than the pressure inside the bottle, which causes a net force on the egg. The egg will be pushed inside the bottle and just gravity plays its role.
Hey guys, it's your girl, Nisa. So for today's life hacks, what should we do to a ping pong ball that is bent out or crushed? Trash it?
No!
So here's a cool science trick to make it happen. So with these materials on the table, what should we need to use to make it happen? Letter A pen. Letter B, a stapler. Letter C, a hot water. Or letter D, a fan. You know the answer? If your answer is letter C, the hot water, and then you are correct.
Bring back the ping pong again. When we put the dented ping pong ball in boiling water, the temperature of the gas increases because the hot water on the outside is heating the gas inside. Charles' law states that when the gas temperature is increased, it will take up more space. The pressure has to remain constant, so in this ping pong ball situation, as the air inside the ping pong ball heats up, it expands and take up more volume. Because it take up more space, it has to force the dented plastic of the ball out to create space inside and makes the ball round again like a new one.
So now we can play it again and not throw it away. So that's all for the day's life hack. See you again! Ta-da!
Well, hi guys, it's your girl Jongga. Oh yeah. Tapos na.